Hi everyone, today we will solve this number theory problem. It is from Albania Junior Balkan Math Olympiad Team Selection Test in 2015. In this question, we are given this sum and the answer is m over n, and we are given that this fraction is irreducible, or in other words, the greatest common divisor of m and n is 1. Then we are asked to calculate m plus n and the remainder of this expression in mod n. Okay, let's solve. Firstly, I can say that, for instance, if there is this type of fraction, x times x plus 1, then we can divide it into two different fractions like this, 1 over x minus 1 over x plus 1. Here, for the common denominator, we will just multiply this part by x plus 1 and this part by x. Overall, in the numerator, we will get x plus 1 minus x, and it is 1. In the denominator, we will get this expression. That is why overall we will get 1 over x times x plus 1. Like this, we can write this part like this. 1 over 1 minus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 3, and so on. In the end, 1 over 2014 minus 1 over 2015. So we will get this 1 minus 1 over 2015, which is 2014 divided by 2015. As you know, this fraction is irreducible. So here we found that m is 2014 and n is 2015. That is why the sum of m and n is 429. Okay, now let's calculate part B. Let me delete this part. In this part, we will use one important theorem in number theory, which is called Euler's theorem. And in this theorem, we are given that if there are two numbers, for instance a and n, and their GCD is 1, which is greatest common divisor is 1, then we can say that a to the power phi n is equal to 1 in mod n. Phi n is the number of other numbers which are less than n. In this case it is n, and they are coprime with n. It means that there is no any common divisor that divides both n and that number. Phi n is the number of those numbers. Okay, now we know that m is 2014 and n is 2015, so we will get this 2017 to the power 1444 is equal to something in mod 2015. I know that 2017 is 2 mod 2015, so I can just write this 2 to the power 1444, and also I can use Euler's theorem here because 2 and 2015 is coprime. Now let's calculate phi 2015. We know that 2015 is 5 times 13 times 31. Let's calculate phi 2015. Here we will calculate it like this. 2015 times 1 minus 1 over 5 times 1 minus 1 over 13 and times 1 minus 1 over 31. Overall we will get 4 times 12 times 30, which is 1440. It means that 2 to the power 1440 is exactly 1 mod 2015. And I can write 1444 like 1440 plus 4. That is why overall I can say that 2 to the power 1444 is equal to 1 times 2 to the power 4, which is 16 in mod 20, 15. And it is our last answer. The remainder is 16 here.